Today I am reviewing the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for a powerful desktop that's built to handle today's most demanding games, creative workflows, and VR experiences, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC might just be the ultimate ready-to-go gaming rig you've been waiting for. This system combines raw performance, a clean aesthetic, and excellent value, all powered by Intel's latest high-end processor and NVIDIA's cutting-edge graphics. Let's take a deep dive into what makes this PC so impressive and why it's become a favorite among gamers and creators alike. At the heart of this system is the Intel Core i9-14900KF processor, one of Intel's latest 14th-generation flagship CPUs. This chip features 24 cores and runs at a base clock of 3.2 GHz, with turbo speeds that can easily push past 6 GHz under load. That means you get elite performance for gaming, 3D rendering, streaming, and even professional video editing. Whether you're running heavy multitasking setups or playing the newest AAA titles at ultra settings, this processor doesn't flinch. And because it's unlocked, the system's cooling and motherboard design allow for headroom if you ever want to fine-tune performance or overclock for even more speed. CyberPowerPC pairs this with the Intel Z790 chipset, which ensures stability, high memory speeds, and the latest I/O technologies. In short, this CPU and motherboard combo is built for the future, and it's ready for anything you throw at it. Now let's move on to the graphics card, which is equally exciting. This desktop comes equipped with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 with 12 GB of GDDR7 VRAM. This GPU sits comfortably in the high-performance tier of NVIDIA's 50 series lineup and brings with it all the modern gaming features, including real-time ray tracing, DLSS 3.5, reflex, and AI-powered upscaling. In real-world performance, that means smoother frame rates, ultra-detailed environments, and lifelike lighting effects. You can expect buttery smooth 1440p and even 4K gaming, depending on the title. Games like Cyberpunk 2077, Starfield, or Call of Duty. Modern Warfare 3 will easily hit high frame rates at ultra settings. And when it comes to VR, this machine is truly VR-ready. The RTX 5070 delivers low latency and high refresh performance for popular VR platforms like Meta Quest or HTC Vive. If you've been dreaming of a machine that can handle intense gaming sessions, VR exploration, and creative workloads, this is it. Memory and storage are where this PC really shines for multitaskers. The system includes 32 GB of DDR5 memory running at 6,000 MHz. That's lightning-fast RAM that ensures seamless performance even with multiple applications and browser tabs running in the background. Whether you're editing 4K footage, streaming while gaming, or using heavy production software like Blender or Adobe Premiere, this memory capacity keeps everything running smooth and responsive. For storage, CyberPowerPC equips the system with a massive 2 TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD. This isn't just about size. PCIe 4.0 storage means ultra-fast load times and file transfers. Games launch almost instantly, Windows boots in seconds, and large files open effortlessly. You'll rarely see a loading screen, and that's a big quality of life improvement. Now let's talk about the design, cooling, and overall build. 3 areas where CyberPowerPC has clearly put in work. The system features a custom mid-tower case with a tempered glass side panel, allowing you to showcase the clean internal layout and RGB lighting. Inside, you'll find a liquid-cooled CPU system that keeps the Intel i9 processor running at optimal temperatures even during long gaming or rendering sessions. The RGB setup is fully customizable, with lighting accents across the fans and interior components. It's not just bright for show. It gives you a sense of personality and makes your setup look premium right out of the box. CyberPowerPC also includes a matching RGB keyboard and mouse, so you can start gaming immediately without needing to buy extra peripherals. In terms of connectivity, this desktop has you completely covered. Onboard, you'll find 2 USB-C 3.2 ports for USB-A 3.2 ports and 4 USB-A 2.0 ports, along with a LAN port, Wi-Fi 5, and Bluetooth 4.2 for wireless connections. Audio is handled by 7.1-channel surround sound, giving you a fully immersive audio experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing. And with multiple display ports and HDMI outputs, connecting multiple monitors or VR headsets is effortless. This PC is designed for versatility, from serious work setups with triple monitors to full RGB battle stations. Another thing CyberPowerPC does well is customer support. This model comes with a 1-year parts and labor warranty and free lifetime tech support, which means even after the warranty expires, you can still reach out to their team for help. For anyone building a gaming setup or upgrading from a laptop, that peace of mind goes a long way. So what's the real-world experience like? Well, in everyday use, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR is whisper quiet, incredibly fast, and visually stunning. Games load in seconds, applications switch instantly, and even under heavy load, the liquid cooling keeps the system stable and cool. The combination of the Intel Core i9-14900KF and the RTX 5070 ensures that this machine can handle years of gaming and creative work without breaking a sweat. To wrap it up, the CyberPowerPC Gamer Xtreme VR Gaming PC is a perfect example of how a pre-built gaming desktop can deliver enthusiast-level performance without the hassle of manual assembly or part hunting. You're getting elite power, cutting-edge components, future-ready connectivity, and a beautiful RGB design, all at a highly competitive price point. If you want a desktop that's built for gaming, VR, and content creation, the Gamer Xtreme VR delivers everything you could ask for: speed, style, and reliability, right out of the box.